Did you know that two simple ingredients like castor oil and baking soda can transform your personal care routine? These natural helpers have been used for generations to solve everything from skin and hair problems to muscle aches and much more. Today, we'll show you 20 surprising uses that can improve your health and wellness naturally and effectively. Get ready to discover how this duo can make a difference in your everyday life. Number 1. Fight acne and oily skin. Although it seems counterintuitive to apply oil to oily skin, castor oil regulates sebum production and helps balance the skin. On the other hand, baking soda works by unclogging pores and removing impurities. By combining these two ingredients, you get a natural solution to fight acne. Mix equal parts of both ingredients and apply to areas prone to breakouts. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Use 2 or 3 times a week. You'll notice fewer breakouts, cleaner skin, and less oil. It's a perfect ally to keep your skin healthy without harsh products. Number 2. Reduce scars, stretch marks, and dark spots. Castor oil is known for its regenerative properties thanks to its ability to stimulate collagen and elastin production. Combining it with baking soda, which gently exfoliates the skin, creates a powerful mixture to reduce scars, stretch marks, and dark spots. To use, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to the affected area with circular motions. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse with warm water. With consistent use, you can see how the marks fade, and the skin's texture improves significantly. This natural remedy is ideal for those seeking effective results without resorting to harsh chemicals. 3. Reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Skin aging is a natural process, but with this mixture, you can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil deeply moisturizes and stimulates cell regeneration, while baking soda gently exfoliates, helping to smooth the skin. Apply the mixture around the eyes, forehead, or any area where fine lines appear. Leave on for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Used regularly, this natural treatment improves skin elasticity, leaving a fresher, more youthful appearance. Number 4. Treat fungal infections. Castor oil has antimicrobial properties that, when combined with the alkaline effect of baking soda, create an environment that's tough for fungi to live in. This mixture is effective for treating infections like athlete's foot or nail fungus. Apply equal parts castor oil and baking soda to the affected areas, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse it off. Repeat the treatment twice a day until the infection clears up. Using this consistently not only relieves symptoms like itching and redness, but also prevents the infection from coming back. Number 5. Promote hair and scalp health. Castor oil is known for nourishing hair follicles and stimulating hair growth. Combined with baking soda, which exfoliates the scalp and removes residue, this mixture revitalizes hair and combats problems such as dandruff. Apply a tablespoon of castor oil mixed with a teaspoon of baking soda directly to the scalp. Massage gently and leave on for 20 minutes before rinsing. This weekly treatment helps maintain a clean scalp, reduces hair loss, and promotes stronger, healthier growth, restoring its natural shine. Number 6. Soothe sunburns. Sunburns can be painful and annoying, but this mixture provides immediate relief. Castor oil deeply moisturizes the damaged skin, while the baking soda calms the inflammation and reduces redness. Gently apply the mixture to the sunburned areas and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. This natural remedy speeds up recovery, helping the skin to heal faster and preventing excessive peeling. Number 7. Remove calluses and corns on your feet. Calluses and corns can be annoying, but this mixture is great for softening them. Castor oil deeply moisturizes dry areas, while the baking soda exfoliates and removes dead skin cells. Apply the mixture to the affected areas, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then use a pumice stone to remove the hardened skin. With consistent use twice a week, you'll notice how your feet look softer and healthier, perfect for any season. Number 8. Soothe insect bites. Insect bites can be itchy and irritating, but this mixture quickly relieves those symptoms. Castor oil reduces inflammation, while baking soda neutralizes the compounds that cause itching. Apply a small amount of the mixture to the bite and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. This remedy is great for naturally soothing the skin and avoiding the use of harsh chemicals. Number 9. Improve oral health. The combination of castor oil and baking soda can also benefit your oral health. Baking soda neutralizes acids and acts as a gentle exfoliant, while castor oil has antimicrobial properties. Mix a small amount and gently massage your gums with a soft toothbrush. Rinse after 2 minutes. This remedy can be done a few times a week to reduce plaque buildup and maintain healthy gums. Number 10. Improve nasal and sinus congestion. For those who suffer from nasal or sinus congestion, this mixture can be a natural and effective solution. Castor oil helps reduce inflammation, while baking soda soothes and clears the airways. Slightly warm a tablespoon of castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda and massage the mixture on your forehead and around your nostrils. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This remedy is especially helpful during seasonal changes or allergy seasons, relieving pressure and making breathing easier. Number 11. Supporting detoxification and the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is key to removing toxins from the body, and this mixture stimulates its function. Castor oil improves lymphatic drainage, while baking soda balances the pH, promoting waste elimination. Apply the mixture to areas like the neck, armpits, or groin, gently massaging and leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Adding this treatment to your weekly routine can help you feel lighter and more energized. Number 12. Relieve muscle and joint pain. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while baking soda improves blood circulation in the affected areas. By mixing them, you get an effective remedy to relieve muscle and joint pain, especially in cases of arthritis or built-up tension. Apply the mixture to the painful areas, massaging gently, and cover it with a warm cloth to intensify its effect. Leave on for 30 minutes and then rinse. This treatment can be done regularly to reduce stiffness, improve mobility, and provide relief to areas affected by pain. Number 13. Reduce abdominal bloating. When bloating becomes bothersome, this mixture applied directly on the skin can provide relief. Castor oil stimulates circulation, while baking soda balances acid levels. Massage the mixture on your abdomen for 30 minutes. Cover it with a warm cloth and then rinse. This natural remedy helps reduce that heavy feeling and improves overall well-being. Number 14. Strengthen brittle nails. You can strengthen fragile nails with this simple, natural mixture. Castor oil deeply nourishes the cuticles and improves nail health, while baking soda removes dead cells. Mix a small amount of both ingredients and massage it onto your nails and cuticles. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Use 3 times a week. This remedy not only strengthens nails, but also improves their appearance, leaving them shinier and less prone to breakage. Number 15. Soothe chapped lips. Dry, chapped lips can be restored with this moisturizing mix. Castor oil nourishes and repairs, while the baking soda gently exfoliates, removing dead skin. Apply a small amount to your lips and massage gently. Leave it on for a few minutes and wipe it off with a damp cloth. This treatment is ideal for keeping lips soft and healthy, especially during cold or dry seasons. Number 16. Depuff tired eyes. At the end of a long day, this mixture can help reduce puffiness and refresh your look. Mix a small amount of castor oil with baking soda and gently apply it to your closed eyelids. Relax for 10 minutes before rinsing. This treatment hydrates and reduces puffiness, helping your eyes look more rested and revitalized. Number 17. Improve circulation. For those of you who suffer from cold hands and feet due to poor circulation, this mixture can be a big help. Castor oil stimulates blood flow, while baking soda improves pH balance. Massage the mixture onto the affected areas for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. This regular treatment improves the feeling of warmth in your hands and feet, reducing swelling and providing relief to those who spend long periods sitting or standing. 18. Relieve eczema and psoriasis. Castor oil moisturizes and soothes dry and irritated skin, while baking soda reduces inflammation and balances the pH. This mixture is helpful for those who suffer from eczema or psoriasis. Applied to the affected areas, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. With regular use, it helps reduce itching, irritation, and scales, providing relief naturally and without chemicals. 19. Improve sleep and relieve stress. If you have trouble sleeping or feel stressed, this mixture can help you relax before bed. Castor oil relaxes your muscles and eases tension, while baking soda soothes your skin and calms your nerves. Gently massage the mixture onto your temples, neck, and shoulders before going to bed. Let it sit for 20 minutes and rinse if needed. This natural remedy helps you fall asleep, giving you a sense of calm and well-being for a better night's rest. Number 20. Hydrate and rejuvenate your hands. Our hands often suffer the most from constant contact with chemicals and the environment. This mixture deeply moisturizes the skin and removes dead cells, giving your hands back their natural softness. Mix a tablespoon of castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda and massage your hands for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water and dry them gently. With regular use, your hands will feel softer, more hydrated, and rejuvenated. Castor oil and baking soda are much more than just kitchen ingredients or basic care items. They are versatile tools to naturally improve your quality of life. Now that you know these 20 amazing uses, what are you waiting for to try them out? Tell us in the comments which one was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to share this knowledge with those who can also benefit. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.